na turacokia ngatho ni au akinyite na wabici ya DCI tondu nginya DCI we munene Amin ni arari kuria scene of crime koguo ni turetikia gutire undu ukuhingicana no umwe na maundu ni magikara thi na mbere na kuhoera njamba
bro, simsaidie nini alafu ni upload au download usitakuwa easier.
Download sasa style ya kudownload
Cause ni mzito. Yeah, so guys, that's where Jeff's body was. That's where he was buried. And as you can see around here, guys, we have the area MP and the OCS. We have so many other guys who are here, guys. People, the security, media people, they're all over here. This is the area MP now. She's saying something. The locals are here. Also have Samido right there. Samido is here. You have the mkubwa ako area pia. Yes, bwana OCS yuko hapa. Yes. The officers are here. Wachimbi ndio hawa hapa. The guys will be doing the thing. They're right here. As you can see, they are taking videos with Samido. Security pia ni tight. Bazu poa, naambia security tight kuliko nini.
peace.
Ndio hivyo. Manze, shukrani sana, si ndio? Bazu, kijana wangu wa kijiko uko hapa. Yeah. Everything here with Mr. Samido is here. So everything is happening here. So guys, as you can see, this is the activity that is happening right now. That right now, so here it's what is happening. Cheki, sunsaidie na nini? Na power bank. Ule boy wako ako nayo, si ndio? Ako nayo hapo. So this is Bazu, sunio kole yako ka nini kidogo tu.
Hoteli man.
So cool.
Ndiaje huko?
Yeah, so guys, it's happening right now. Simu yangu inazima.
Hunter.
Yeah, so guys, I'll be back. Let me get some power because we've been here shooting. You can go watch some of the videos on my YouTube channel at Tumbili TV. That's where everything, we are uploading everything. We are here. That is Jeff's father here. As you know, that's Jeff's father. Those are the locals. The locals, they are following up on the exhumation. And as we can see, guys, according to the DCI official, the director homicide. He's saying that nobody is supposed to be close to where the body is. Yeah. So as you can see under that green and maroon tent, that's where Jeff was buried. As you can see, there are some sealing. The place has been sealed. Someone is saying, I want to see the graveside. The graveside is inside there. It's been secured, and nobody is allowed to go even closer. Yeah. But after everything we'll be showing you, we'll be updating you guys. Yeah, we are in a place called this is Maunarok. Yeah, Maunarok, guys. So this is the situation here. Yep, this is the situation right now here, guys. Sorry. So this is the situation right now. Cool. So guys, the homicide, as you can see, they are securing the place. Nobody is allowed even closer to where the tent is. The tent, that's where actually, inside that tent is where Jeff was buried, and the security here is tight. Nobody is allowed even inside that tent, guys. The locals are here. They're here to witness what's happening, and their song is, they only have one song, which is Justice for Jeff. The area MP has already spoke. She has said something, and I'll be uploading it on my YouTube channel in a few. Yeah, so many people are here. We have Samido, the OCS, the DCI, and everybody. Yeah, the media people representing. Tuma namba ni kutumie power bank. Yeah, so that's the director of homicide. He is there. Anaenda sasa kutesa. He's there. Then Samido is here, guys. That's Samido. Samido is there. Right there. You can see him. He's there. So guys, as you know, there is Samido and the DJ Fatso, one of the probably the suspect, the key suspect of this matter. The allegations that they are buddies, but watu wanashangaa mbona Samido has so much interest in this this issue. So guys, I'm running out of power kidogo, so I'll be going to my car, bring some charger. I'll be back maybe in a few. Just want to make sure that you guys are updated. Yeah, this is the situation right here now, guys. Mniombe simu isizime bana. Let's see. So guys, I'll be back in a few. In the meantime, you can go to my YouTube channel. I'm updating each and everything. Tumbili TV. Yep. Thank you so much.